i35equipment.com. Today we're checking out stock number HT1440. It's a hydraulic thumb, 14x40, universal design. It'd be a good fit for a large backhoe or a mid-size excavator. They are universal design. Just need to make sure you have room on your stick for that weld-on plate and have auxiliary hydraulics. What can we come look them over? We're open by appointment only. Give us a call again on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. We do ship these all over the country, so again, when shipped to you, should not be a problem at all. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. Get you a hauling quote. Let you know what comes back to me, or you can come and pick it up for yourself or arrange for your own hauling if you like. Hope this video is beneficial. As always, see our full and up-to-date inventory, thumbs, buckets, and consignment equipment on our website, www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.